Ryan Trahan released his new candy at Target. And as much as I don't like candies, we gotta go find it, guys. All right, candy fans, the release date is June 15th. Wait, that's today. No worries, guys. There is always a Target close by, so this hunt video should be a piece of cake. Let's check Google Maps for directions.
Get over here!
It says my local Target closes at 9 p.m. today, so we're gonna make sure we hurry up and get there early. But first, we have time, enjoy a walk at the park, off-road in a secluded location, and why not? Play some baseball. Okay, boys, no more fun and games. It's time to get serious and go to Target. We messed up, guys. I thought it closes at 10 p.m. I guess now we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I know what you are thinking. How could a man enjoy being awakened at 6 a.m. by an alarm clock, leap out of bed, dress, forced feed, piss, brush teeth and hair, and fight traffic to get to a place where hopefully all the 9-year-old kids and soccer moms didn't beat us to it? Well, guess what? I'm not going to admit defeat, but yeah, they totally beat us to it. We messed up again. Looks like we need some serious help if we want to win this candy competition. Time to bring out the big guns and call our friend ChatGPT to keep us on track. What's up, chat? Welcome back to another video. I know we started with the wrong foot last video.
'Cause you will.
Sorry, I'm not me when I'm hungry. Look who we have here. You thought you were funny, but now it's payback time.
You have no sense of humor.
Okay, let's leave what's that in the past because I really need your help.
What do you need this time?
Can you keep us on track to hunt for candies at Target?
Do I have any other option?
No, not really.
All right, let's go.
It's 8 a.m. and I'm walking with Chat to Target, determined not to let the minivan moms defeat us this time.
Boys, they ran out of stock at this store. We gave it our all, but JoyRide candies and Chick-fil-A are incredibly popular in the suburbs. My recommendation is to go to the next closest Target location, but this time, pick a place in the city.
I don't need eye technology to tell me to go to another location. So this time, Chat stayed behind in the car while I looked for the candy. And nothing here either, Candy Crew. This is getting ridiculous. I'm starting to wonder, will I ever find it? Is it even worth it? What if I don't like it? Would Ryan Trahan hate me for that? Why am I even pushing a cart to get candy? Nothing makes sense anymore. Let's stay positive, boys. This is our moment to stay grounded and trust the creator. And I'm not talking about the owner of Target. I will just ask a Target employee to see if they have seen the candy. For my surprise, this is what he said. Excuse me, have you seen the new candy from Ryan Trahan? It's called JoyRide.
Yes, of course. It's in the back of the store. But if you really want it, you're gonna have to work for free at the store.
Say what? I was angry. 2 days ago, I was laughing at people making videos about working for free at Target. But hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Started by sweeping the floor while people were pointing and laughing at me. I fixed some products in the shelves and clean up the counters to increase customer experience. At this point, I was even considering changing the video topic to a working for free theme. It was all fun and games until I had to clean the bathrooms. Nope, screw this. You are better than this. You deserve better. You deserve the candy. The whole positive affirmations thing actually worked. The Target employee brought me the candy from the back of the store, and I was finally able to get out of there. Walking back to the car, I felt like a winner. But wait, I don't like candy. Do you like candy? What about you? And you? Honestly, I don't really need it. Instead, something tells me I need to give this candy away, along with a gift card, to spread the joy. Excuse me, it's your lucky day. You won a JoyRide candy and a $20 gift card. She thanked me while I awkwardly used the wrong hand and rushed out of there before she called security.